So I've been working as a beauty journalist in London for about the last 13 years now. I also work with a lot of beauty brands. I do a lot of strategy and consultancy work for them, helping with new product development. Another big challenge that I think we're going to see becoming increasingly problematic for the beauty industry is the increased sort of media attention and focus on toxicity of ingredients. People are becoming much more concerned about the safety of the ingredients that they use, and this is something I think we're only going to see increasing over time. And of course it's not just public perception, but also we're seeing much more regulatory attention surrounding what ingredients formulators can use. So that's something I think beauty brands are going to have to really grapple with in the coming years. I think the way that we approach keeping our hair and scalp feeling clean and fresh is really going to evolve as well. So we know that we're all living in increasingly polluted environments, and this is something that we've seen a huge amount of attention on in skincare, with a large number of products emerging focused on tackling the effects of particulate matter on the skin. And at the moment we haven't really seen that sort of fully emerging into hair, and I think that's something we'll see with particular focus on the scalp. I think people are beginning to understand that pollution is now sort of an additional driver for change in our appearance that we haven't perhaps considered before, and we're just beginning to understand its impact on skin, and I think hair will follow. An increasing number of consumers sort of identify themselves as having sensitive skin, which is interesting because actually when you talk to a lot of experts or dermatologists, they will say there's no such thing as sensitive skin. You know, it isn't a skin type as such. What's really sort of driving this is that we're all exposed to a huge number of irritants now, from pollution, but also from the detergents we use and cleaning products at home, and of course also in the skincare sometimes that we use. So I think we're going to see a real move towards more gentle, more mild formulations, and customers are going to want to be reassured that what they're using first and foremost isn't going to do their skin any harm, as well as then also doing it some benefit.